Hey, what's up, Tron holder? So this update is gonna be very special and very urgent because after a very long time, Tron is moving upward. Tron is wake up. What's the main reason to they wake up and in upcoming time they will give you a profit? Yes, absolutely. In this month, this is possible. Today will make you millionaire. Exactly, my friend. I will discuss in this video production, technical analysis, everything we do in this video. But kindly you like this video and subscribe this channel. So here, my brother, first of all, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here plus 1.85% the price is increased just in only, my friend, in last one day. It's a very good news, my friends, for all of you. Today will wake up and they go in the moon now. So TRX, one of the fastest coin, everybody know this, but this time you can see definitely they take a very huge jump and wake up after a very long time. So the main reason is that two holders are holding, they cannot selling. So therefore if a holder starting holding, then absolutely it's mean to the price is increasing now. People are investing and very highly, so therefore they go in the moon now, and absolutely the price is also very increasing now. I hope, my friends, they will hit 0.1 USD dollar just in only, my friend, and this week, not just this month, my friend. I hope in this week they will hit. So just in only if they hit, my friend, 0.1 US dollar, so it's speed, my friend, I think 2x to 5x. So if they give you 2x to 5x, absolutely they will make you millionaire, my brother. So TRX holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.